Hey y'all, okay, so we're about to go to the eraser app. You'll click the little thing at the top left, click a picture, boom, press target area, press the target thing, and you start clicking away. Pretty self-explanatory as the last video. So yeah, that's about it. When you finish, press done, click the save button on the top right. You're gonna have to watch a little ad before they let you save it, because it's free, so you're gonna have to watch this ad real quick. Then after that, you can click whatever size you want at the top, and then you're gonna press PNG transparent, and then you save it. Then boom, there you go, your transparent wording, logo, whatever you want to do. This eraser app is like real good to get anything transparent. I've used it a lot. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos. Alrighty.